Actually, I'm just on top of a horse, but still cool.
Yep, that's me again. And today, I am in nature. Well, my version of nature.
Oh my god, you guys, we're really doing this. In diamonds and acrylic nails.
I'm kicking off my 50 states tour with Colorado for a good old-fashioned American adventure. And of course, I'm taking you with me.
Chase the hot man. You can do it.
So, what did I do in the great state of Colorado?
Hi, beautiful doggies!
Well, let's start from the beginning.
I'm so freaking excited, so here we go.
It all started with us packing up our bags for an epic road trip.
Oh my god. We needed 2 full SUVs, by the way.
Once we were all packed, we were off into the wilderness. Literally the wilderness.
Oh my god, I'm screaming. There is buffalo. What?
And by we, I mean me and my gal pals.
Let me introduce you.
I looked so much cuter earlier. I'm trying to meet you there.
Yeah. I want to introduce everyone while we're in a road trip at the end of the day after we ate hamburgers. Okay, you ready?
Hey, Bailey.
Hi. Hi, Claire. Twins.
Hi. Putting it.
After a bajillion hours and a bajillion and one beautiful views, hi cows, we pulled up to Steamboat Springs, Colorado. And so, the adventures began. We're going on a hike. Oh, gorgeous.
Look at this giant grasshopper.
Jump. Go. Hello. Oh, you can, oh!
Cool.
Hi, beautiful doggies. Oh my goodness, I love you. Hi. Hello. Oh, hello.
You good?
I love nature so much.
You're doing great, sweetie. I don't really exercise that much, except for when escalators are broken at the mall. So this is kind of a lot. Guys, I'm crying. I was gonna pick up a walking stick. Look at this. Straight up an evil demon pitchfork. Perfect for 2020. Hi ho, it's off to work we go. We made it on top of the world.
It was worth it for the picture. Of course, our outdoor adventures didn't stop there. We also took our horses to the Old Town Road. Literally. This was an old town and a very old road.
Look at this, we are in the middle of literally nowhere.
Hi, beautiful ponies. Say hi, guys.
Oh my god, this is the cutest little place. I'm ready to go. Got our boots, we got our Gucci, we got our wraparound thing. Bucket hat, I'm ready for this.
LA horseback riding versus Colorado.
I think they're both a vibe.
Hi, beautiful. Are you ready? We match. White on white.
Everyone say hi!
Hi, baby.
Welcome to Colorado. This is insane. Wow. Chase the hot man. You can do it. We're just going through the wild, wild west. We're just in the woods like free-for-all, and this is crazy. By the way, they said we might see a bear, so keep your eyes out. That's some nice horse booty. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Wow.
I love you, Pickles. Bless you.
This is literally the coolest trail ride I've ever been on. We are just like flying through the nowhere land. Unbelievable. I'm on top of the world. Actually, I'm just on top of a horse, but still cool.
Like, this literally looks CGI. I don't even know. This was just absolutely magical, magnificent. Wow, wow, wow. Just wow.
My horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride to the king no more.
By the way, did I mention we stayed in like the world's cutest little cabin? Oh my goodness, look at the woodsy aesthetic.
Welcome to a home. Look at how cute and festive this is. We got a whole ass kitchen. Oh my goodness. Ooh, we can go upstairs, but this is our room. So cute. Oh, hi Bailey. We're right on the ski mountain. Look at that. Hi, Colorado. Oh my God, I feel so naturey.
So naturally, speaking of naturey, we hung out in more nature.
All right, guys, we're gonna go fishing. Claire's showing me how it's done. You look like a badass.
I'm actually quite good at regular fishing, but not gonna lie, fly fishing is kind of hard and a little bit time consuming and kind of not that interesting. So I didn't really do too great. I mean, I did catch one stick.
Guys, I got it stuck on a leaf. Whoops.
And mostly I just looked at the pretty river because that was very beautiful.
You guys see the little baby fishies? Where'd they go? Do you see them? Oh my God, you guys see him? I caught a minnow. Hi, little buddy. Oh, I love him. Your name is Frederick and I love you. Oh my goodness, he is so cute, you guys. I'm crying. I love you so much. Go be free with your brothers. Be free like the wind, Frederick. Have fun. Mission accomplished. I'm such a good fisherwoman.
So, of course, continuing our nature tour, we decided to go to an all-natural hot spring. Mostly because we saw it on Instagram and it looks amazing. Like, oh my gosh, how cool is this? So we hopped in the car and went on our way.
We are driving through the literal wilderness. Guys, I went to college.
But we didn't really plan the timing that good, and it was literally basically pitch black by the time we got there, and they don't have any lights, so...
Look at this, we're in the middle of nowhere. Woo! Claire has a whole ass headlamp to guide us in. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, yeah, you can't really see it, but it was very beautiful, I think.
Look at this, it's so dark, but it's like a natural spring. This is so cool. Say hi. It's so hot. Look at this, you guys. It's like steaming because it's so hot. Wow. This is unbelievable.
In all seriousness, though, the dark lighting was unbelievable. There's literally no lights, so the sky actually, literally looked like this in photos. Unbelievable. I saw 2 shooting stars. But of course, even in a state full of nature, you can't keep me off the shopping streets. So I shopped.
Oh my God, can we go in here? Yeah. Wow. Oh my God, this is so cool. Hi, fishies. Oh my goodness, the store for me.
The little town of Steamboat is so stinking cute. It was just like a quaint little, honestly, like a ski town, except minus the snow.
Look at how cute the little town is. Oh my God, it's adorable. I literally love these little tourist stores. Oh my goodness. I will find a reason to shop anywhere. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a Yeti. Hell yeah. Hi, princess. Ah! Ooh, real Colorado bikers.
In addition to shopping, I ate tons of food. Because that's just what I do best.
Hell yeah, ice cream. Oh yeah. So good. Ooh.
Should we stack these up?
Bailey, your pizza's huge. I don't even know what this is, but it looks pretty good. So we had a full wine night. Claire, for the people, tell them what you just told me.
Own your standards.
Explain it.
So if you are dating somebody, whatever your standard is, own it and be willing to walk away if they don't meet it.
Boom! Mic drop.
That's good advice.
Coffee, bears. No, I'm kidding. I need coffee. My first pumpkin latte of the season. can't be full. You are out here cooking a whole ass real meal. Wow. Chefery.
Welcome.
I made these chips. Oh my God, look at this cute little restaurant. We are in actually Nowheresville. I'm so excited.
We even made s'mores.
We also didn't buy skewers, so this is what we're using. Woohoo! Killing it. This is genius. Oh my God. Freaking nailed it. You can see the stars. Look at it, you guys. Oh, this is funny. I have a dipper. There's some dipper. What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay. I have a dipper. I don't know what the hell this is. But can you guys see the stars? No, but there is the Big Dipper right there. And this, I believe, is actually a ladle. But that's fine. This is the best ice cream place literally in the world. Cheers, bitches! This is so cute. Honestly, same. Cheers, puppy. Love you.
Per the usual, I wore lots of crazy outfits.
I look like a sexy couch. It looks like I'm not wearing pants because I'm not. Just kidding, I have shorts on. Couture. I always stand on bathtubs to do my outfit of the day. Someday I'm gonna get hurt, but for now, woo! Oh God. Look at this mask, I'm crying. It's so cute, matches my outfit, but also, freaking fashion. Jacquemus who? Oh look.
You're doing amazing, sweetie. Saw tons of beautiful, gorgeous sights all along the road, and not to mention my personal favorite, this place.
Wow, Colorado sounds fun. I'm 12 years old. Okay. Fantastic.
And for the grand finale of fun, we went whitewater rafting. We had to get up at the butt crack of dawn for this, and not to mention dress hilarious.
This is such a look. What are those? Claire.
I'm a fly fisherman.
You look so cool too. God, you guys all look amazing. Wow. Here's our outfit of the day. Tacky, I look like a deranged fisherman.
We got shuttled up into the mountains, and then it was time to go rafting.
Look, we got the boats and everything. Oh my God, this is gonna be so exciting. Oh my God, hi cutie pie, you look gorgeous. Oh my God, I'm in love with you. I have never looked sexier than this. Oh my God, you guys, we're really doing this. In diamonds and acrylic nails.
This was seriously so majestic and so beautiful. The pictures do not even do it justice at all, but this was so magnificent to just be literally floating through nature. So, so beautiful.
All together.
Whoa.
2.
Whoa. Oh God. Oh. Wow.
We only did a level 2 rafting because honestly I was kind of too scared to do anything else, but we even saw a bald eagle.
You guys do see it? That's
All
an
right, so
eagle.
kayakers, we're about
Here
to
it
start
is.
in the canyon here.
How cool is that? So America. By the way, Colorado's beautiful in the winter too. I went to Vail last year and magnificent.
Hey guys, having a photo shoot.
You guys know even snow won't stop me from, well, hope. It rhymed, I had to. Overall, Colorado was an absolute blast. The great outdoors truly is that. Great. In fact, I might just call it the fabulous outdoors. As always, thank you so, so much for watching. You have given me the world, and as I always say, I hope through these videos, I can give a small piece of it back. Till next time, sweet angels, until next time, Colorado. XO.
you're so far away from me.